Hi, I'm Chef Ricky Moore. I'm going to teach you how to make a traditional Southern favorite, healthy cornbread. And here's the ingredients. We have cornmeal, we have salt, we have baking soda, baking powder, and also I'm going to add a little honey. Now let me tell you a little story about the honey, and this is what makes this recipe special. All right, my mother used to add tons of sugar and tons of fat inside of her cornbread, and so this is my interpretation of a healthy version. Canola oil. And now we're going to add an egg. That's a good trick, no? Cracking with one hand. And so we're going to add the buttermilk, low fat. And now we're going to incorporate all these ingredients. And the key thing to making this batter, the cornbread batter, is to make sure that you don't over mix, because then you'll have a tough cornbread. So now at this point, you want to move this to the side. You want to bring your baking dish in front of you. Spray, vegetable spray, ensuring that you hit all the corners. You want to add your batter slowly inside your baking dish, ensuring that you get everything out of the bowl, no waste. Okay, so we're going to smooth it out inside of the baking dish. And the next step would be to take it and drop it on the counter so it levels out. Now this is going to go in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It's a beautiful golden cornbread that is low fat, low carb, and tastes great. Please enjoy.